Hello everybody, Mike here, and today we're going to be making return address labels. So for the template, for the labels, I'm using Canva, but you can use Word, you can use another software that you like. But I use Canva, it's pretty user-friendly, and I like the templates that they have. So to start in Canva, go to the top, put address labels, and then you can click search. Right? And then it has all these templates that you can pick, and then you can edit to put in your information. We'll choose this one and open it up. And all you have to do is just double click, and you can change the name. You can change the address. You can change the icons, but it is Christmas time, so we're going to keep the elements in there, the gifts. Pretty nice. You can change the address. Just put in some information here just to show it can be edited very easily by clicking on it. If you wanted to get rid of the presents, you would just click and kind of delete those. But when you're ready, you can download it. So you have this downloaded to your computer. Here we are on Amazon. It's the label paper that I use, and as you can see, I'll show you in the description, it actually has the type of labels that we need. So next we go to Word. So we open up a Word document. You can just do a new blank document. And then once you're in Word, you go to mailings, and then you click label. And then you want to click options. And then you click laser and inkjet. And then you want to do Avery US letter. And then you just go down. So in this particular case, we have the 5160 address labels, but there's a lot. So possibly you purchase different labels. You want to make sure you find the label that matches the one that you purchased. So I go ahead and select that. And then I can just insert the picture that I downloaded from Canva. So you picture from file, open, and then I just resize it the way that I like it. So you can customize this in Canva, the size, but considering you might have a different label, I think it's just easiest just to format it once you're in Word to your liking. But once you have it the way you like, all you have to do is copy and then just paste it into the next cell. Select it, paste, 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 paste. You can go all the way down. You can do the entire sheet. You can do different labels for each column. I like that you have the flexibility. Right? And then you can just print to the paper that you purchased, whether it be on Amazon or somewhere else. So there it is. Pretty simple.